EasyDispense comes enabled on your washer. When you turn on your washer, you may be prompted with a message to fill the detergent or softener if they're low or empty. To fill EasyDispense, first pull out the dispenser drawer. The tank on the right is for detergent, and the tank on the left is for softener. Use only liquid detergents or softeners in the dispenser drawers, and use high-efficiency detergent. Fill the reservoirs up to the max fill line. If you're using liquid bleach, add it to the liquid bleach dispenser. 1/2 cup is generally enough for most loads. The bleach dispenser is flush with water during every load and does not have an on or off button. Powdered and gel pack detergents do not go in the dispenser drawer, but are added manually in the wash tub. You will need to turn the auto detergent dispenser off if you're using a powdered or gel pack detergent. Go to Settings and turn the dial to Detergent Dispense. Here you will be able to turn off the detergent dispenser. Settings is also the place to adjust the detergent or softener dispense amounts. If you have a small load or even a single item, you can decrease the amount of detergent dispense. For larger loads or heavily soiled items, set the detergent dispense amount higher. These same options are available in the softener dispense menu. The two dispensers work separately from each other, so if you like to use detergent packs but would still like to use softener, you can leave the softener on and it will auto dispense as usual. You can also convert the softener dispenser to dispense detergent. Go to Additional Settings and then to the Use of Dispenser To menu, where you can choose to use the tank as a softener tank or a detergent tank.